Yeah. Gear check. Got the load, y'all. I see it. King of business. You know what it is. Gear check. You know I stay in green because I stay in go mode. Got a load partial. Don't deliver till Monday, so it's even better. And I'm gonna grab like 3 more coming out with that. I might just use that just come out of Florida. Yeah. That's a parcel right there. Man, and you know, there's a lot of room left. It's a lot of pallet right here, 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 pallet right there. We can fit at least 6 to 8 more pallets. You know my stuff. Yeah. It's partial right there. You see it? You know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna fill that up. We're gonna fill up all that empty space. We played Tetris growing up. That's the floor up, but it's all good. Gotta tighten this up some more probably. But yeah, I thought I had way more space. I thought that was those 2 was it, but say it's 16 feet, so pallet can fit here. Pallet can fit here. Pallet can fit here. Pallet can fit here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. It's 5. Fit 5 pallets. I could possibly fit 6. If I want to make it happen, I could make these 2 and stack them. Hey, trust me. You adjust to what you see out here. You will adjust your load if you have to. 6 pallets I'm ready for. Watch me do it. Follow me. What's up, family? What's up? Yeah, I see I just picked up this load. Got my BOL, my paperwork. This is going to Virginia from Manly, Florida. Virginia. I actually used to work in Manly. I literally work like maybe 2 minutes from here. I should pull up on them, but I don't know. But this load don't drop off till Monday. Today is Thursday. That's how you do your partial. You stretch it out so you have more room, right? It's actually, they say it's 16 feet. I was hoping it was a little bit less than that, but they made it 16 feet. So I'm definitely gonna find another load. It's not a great paying load. I didn't even get $1.50 for this. But like I said, Florida's a crackhead state. You gotta grab whatever you can grab to come out. Now, as I'm moving out of Florida, I'm looking, right? My goal, the ideal thing for this load would be probably spend a night in Atlanta, grab something out of Atlanta and something nice. Friday, they pay good money on Fridays because they're desperate. So I have enough room for at least 6 more pallets. So that's how we're gonna do that. So total for this, it's 1,000 miles actually. I actually just took this out of like, the dude said the number, I didn't even negotiate it. After I said, yeah, I'm like, you idiot. Why didn't you negotiate? You never do that. I don't know, I was just ready to go. So I took the number. I know I probably could have got at least like $300-400 more out of him, but it's all good. I'm just gonna get up out of here, man. I might go home first. I gotta go home anyways. I gotta go home and go get my wallet. I don't think I'm gonna spend the night at the house. I think I'm gonna drive out of Florida, stop in Atlanta or something like that. We're just gonna go from there. Y'all rock with your boy, man. Yo, this dude swerved like 3 times already. I had to drop back. Scared the crap out of me. I'm gonna see if I can catch him on the camera. He swerved like 2-3 times. He gotta wake up. It's time to pull over, bro. Look at him. I dropped back. Hey, I just pray for him. Hey, he wake up. That's what it is. I'm sure. Oh no, you taking over somebody, bro? You falling asleep? Or whatever the heck you in there doing? No sir. What's up, y'all? Checking back in with y'all. So I'm now in yay, man. Couldn't find nothing, man. It seemed like the load was like whack. Couldn't find nothing, so I literally just drove all the way to Virginia. I'm try if I can drop it off today. Really supposed to drop off Monday, but I'm gonna pull up on them. I do that a lot. I pull up. If you're early, you're on time. You're on time, you're late. So I'm gonna pull up on them. See if I can drop it off. Right? See if I can drop it off, and then I'm gonna look for another load. You know, over the weekend, if you do, weekdays. Not much loads on the weekend, but if you do find loads on the weekend, they're gonna pay. Cause not much drivers that's running on the weekend. Desperation. So remember that desperation. Fridays, weekends, late in the evening, make it desperate. So those are the best time to grab some loads. But yeah, I'm gonna test this out. Let me see if I can drop this off. Just gonna pull up. I call it. Nobody picking up. I'm pulling up. It's like a Cold Stone Creamery or something. So somebody gotta be there, right? We're gonna find out. Yes, sir. It's a wrap for the weekend. I'm gonna be chilling. I'm at a hotel. It's called Hawthorne. I used to stay at Holiday Inn, but hey, Holiday Inn around here was kind of expensive, so I tell you. So yeah, I'm about to go find me a gym. Can't check in till 3 o'clock. So I'm about to walk in the neighborhood. Like a safe neighborhood, you know. Yeah, I'm at the hotel, man. I couldn't sleep in that truck tonight. On the weekend, I usually sleep in the truck. I usually sleep in the hotel because I like to chill, you know, relax. So that's where I'm at right now. Know what I mean? It's at a mall. Gotta go shopping. After you finish working out, go shopping. All right. This is it right here, guys. I'm at LA Fitness. You know, LA Fitness is my home gym, and it's a pretty nice LA Fitness, upstairs, downstairs. Typical LA Fitness, but it's a little bit better. I give it about I give it an 8 out of 10. But yeah, this is it, man. You know, I don't like to record while I'm working out because I feel like it's a distraction. So this is all you're gonna get from me. All right, on to the next. Yeah. Starting to regret taking this out. They don't have a forklift. I don't know how this gonna come off and how that gonna come off. It's gonna be a struggle, guys. All right, folks. That's it for this one. I thought I was gonna show y'all multiple partials on this trip, but you know, this how the ball rolls sometimes, you know. I don't know, man. The load board was crazy. So I grabbed a load coming out of Florida, going to VA for $1,400. It's partial though. You know, coming out of Florida, you just gotta grab anything, just get up out of there. So I grabbed that load, thinking by the time I hit Georgia, which is usually how it works, see, everything don't always work the way you think it's gonna work. It was $1,400. I can talk them numbers for y'all. That one was just $14. So it wasn't even $1.50 a mile. Cracky, I think it was like $1.30 a mile. But I did that with intention to grab another partial, but this how it goes sometimes. I couldn't find nothing. The load board was crazy. But one thing I can say, I spent like $700 on gas. So I still made gas money. I got $1,400 for the load. You know, some gonna say, you took $1.30 a mile, we never took that. All right, you would have been stuck in Florida for 3 days. So I couldn't find a load coming up here, man. Couldn't find a load, man. I was looking too heavy. I said, what is going on? And I'm in another group chat with a couple Boxtruck drivers, and they were saying the same thing, like the load boy looking crazy this week. So I feel good it wasn't just me. But it's all good. That's how it goes sometimes. You ain't gonna always find multiple partials. Sometimes the ball might roll like that. You gotta keep moving though. You gotta know when you're wasting time. You gotta make sense to you. Some days it makes sense to just sit. Right? It didn't make sense for me to sit at the moment, but you know what? I probably could have sit and grab another partial coming out of Florida. But you know, that's how it goes sometimes, you know. That's how it go. But that's it, man. Y'all got it. It's real. It's real. Then on top of it, let me tell y'all about this. I got to this location. It's not assisted. It's like 3 dudes, but the load is it's long and heavy. They don't have nothing to offload. I said, oh man, it's gonna take forever, man, because I know I gotta go back down south. I got some things I gotta take care of real quick. So I know I gotta go back down south. I said, dang. So I started helping them. It'd be like that sometimes. I started helping them, and yeah, I helped them offload. But I reached out to the broker, say, hey, I need you'll pay for that. So he haven't responded yet, but so what I do is, right, I won't send him that BOL until he respond. See, them brokers, they play games. They play games like that because they know you waiting on them. They know if they trying to get that. He is hoping I send that BOL before he respond, but I'm not gonna send it. You have to respond, brother. You brokers, man, I beef with the brokers. I don't really care for them like that. It's one or two that I like, but they're not your friends. Remember that. But that's it for this vlog, guys. I mean, I appreciate you guys for watching. You know, it's your boy Lando. I am the man, doe. Hey, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You know what it is. You help the channel grow. So subscribe, like, and share again. Now, tonight.